to say that the matter is really going on very well, and we had a date on when to come to court. And that the major challenge that we're having is the police and the provincial administration ignoring the court orders, owing to the fact that the CS Interior sometimes back ordered a crackdown. So we just want to tell them that having a court order and a country that follows law and order, I think it's good they abide by that. The other issue we have is with the county governments, which actually most of them really don't understand how this thing operates. As much as we feel that the big companies are running the business unregulated, actually, when you look at those people who are doing sport betting and the online stuffs, they are running their business unregulated. In our case, we do what we call real-time kind of a thing. These small machines that we put, call them the cash payout machines. They are put in particular locations, and you are able to control who is getting in and who is getting out. We've called on the government. We've done several letters, even to CS Matiang'i right now, asking him that we need to sit down and have a meeting so that we can sort the issues that are pending out. And for us, what we're saying is that since we are ready to run like that, what we are asking the county government, I have seen most of them have, try to get a very negative attitude on these machines. They're going to lose an opportunity. And this I want to tell them clearly. If the county government are not going to license and regulate this kind of a business, the national government will not hesitate to license the big companies, and which are running their activities and controlled, and all the money will remain with the national government. So the county government, I've seen some of them even charging a lot of money for machines. Even I have seen Kericho talking about 50,000 per machine. And I think this is quite too high. And most of the other county governments, in order that they don't understand. If they really understand, what I want to tell them is a business opportunity, because these things are allowed by the Constitution. Take it. If you don't take it, national government will take it all. When these machines are run at the county level, you have employment provided to the youth, and you have your own people run the same business.